The Adventure of Numberland. Welcome to Numberland, where numbers come to life. Let's meet our friend, Sammy the Star. One sunny day, Sammy saw a big, bright number 1. Look, it's one golden sun shining bright. O-N-E-1. As Sammy danced along, he found number 2. There are 2 friendly rabbits hopping. T-W-O-2. Next, Sammy spotted number 3. 3 friendly frogs hopping. T-H-R-E-E-3. Look over there. It's number 4. 4 balloons in the sky. F-O-U-R-4. Sammy then found number 5. 5 sparkling stars twinkling at night. F-I-V-E-5. Next up is number 6. 6 playful puppies wagging their tails. S-I-X-6. Sammy saw number 7 shining bright. 7 red and tasty apples. S-E-V-E and 7. Then, Sammy found number 8. 8 funny monkeys swinging in the trees. E-I-G-H-T-8. Look, it's number 9. 9 fluffy chicks chirped happily as it pecked at the ground. N-I-N-E 9. Finally, Sammy found number 10. 10 shiny coins glimmering in the sand. T-E-N 10. Sammy was so happy. He counted all the friends he met today. 1 sun, 2 rabbits, 3 frogs, 4 balloons, 5 stars, 6 puppies, 7 apple, 8 monkeys, 9 chicks, and 10 coins. Great job counting from 1 to 10. Remember, every number is special. See you next time in Numberland.